At the coffee shop, meeting a friend. Hi, Mark. How are you?
Hi, Emma. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am very good. Thank you.
This coffee is very nice.
Yes, I love this cafe.
Me too. I come here every morning.
Really? That is great.
Do you want more coffee?
No, thank you. 1 cup is enough for me.
Okay, let's sit and talk.
At the bus stop, asking for the time. Excuse me, do you know what time it is?
Yes, it is 10:15.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am waiting for bus number 7.
Me too. Bus 7 goes to the city center.
Yes, I know. I go there every day.
The bus is late today.
Yes, it is. I hope it comes soon.
I think it will come in 5 minutes.
At the supermarket, asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
Where is the bread?
The bread is in aisle 3.
Thank you. And where is the milk?
Milk is next to the bread, in the same aisle.
That is easy. Thank you.
No problem. Do you need anything else?
Yes. Where are the eggs?
Eggs are in aisle 5, near the back of the store.
Great. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
At the bank, opening an account. Hello, I want to open a bank account.
Welcome. Please sit down.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Emma Johnson.
Do you have an ID?
Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you. What kind of account do you want?
A savings account, please.
Okay, please fill in this form.
Sure. Is this my account number?
Yes, your account is ready in 2 days.
At the hotel, checking in. Hello, I have a reservation.
Welcome. What is your name?
My name is Emma Johnson.
Let me check. Yes, room 204.
Is it a single room?
Yes, it is a single room with a nice view.
That sounds wonderful.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Okay, what time is checkout?
Checkout is at noon.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
At the restaurant, ordering food.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so.
What would you like?
I would like the tomato soup, please.
Good choice. And for your main course?
I will have the grilled chicken.
Would you like something to drink?
Just water, please.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Thank you. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you very much. At the doctor's office, a checkup.
Hello, Emma. How are you feeling today?
Not very well, doctor. I have a headache.
How long have you had this headache?
Since yesterday morning.
Do you have a fever?
I am not sure. Maybe a little.
Let me check. Open your mouth, please.
Like this?
Yes, good. You have a small infection.
Is it serious?
No, don't worry. I will give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor. At the pharmacy, buying medicine. Hello, I need this medicine, please.
Do you have a prescription?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. One moment, please.
How much does it cost?
It is $12.
Okay, here you go.
Take 1 tablet in the morning and 1 at night.
With food or without food?
After meals is better.
Thank you for your help.
Feel better soon.
At the post office, sending a package. Hello, I want to send this package.
Where are you sending it?
To London, England.
What is inside the package?
A book and some small gifts.
Okay, do you want standard or express delivery?
How long is standard delivery?
About 7 to 10 business days.
And express?
Express is 3 to 5 days.
I will choose express, please.
That will be $15.
At the library, borrowing a book. Hello, I would like to borrow this book.
Sure. Do you have a library card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. This is a popular book.
Yes, my friend recommended it.
You can keep it for 2 weeks.
Can I return it late?
Yes, but there is a small fine.
Okay, I will try to return it on time.
Do you need anything else?
No, thank you. This is all.
Enjoy your book.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.